Hey guys, Roar St. James here, and I'm back with another journal to show you. I made this one for Space Coast book lovers, and one of the people that attended actually won it. So before I send it out, I wanted to do a quick video walkthrough to show you how it turned out because I really love it. It has this beautiful silver filigree on the front and also on the back. And I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but there is some ridging on the spine, which I really liked. The inside has this starry night sky, kind of Milky Way interior, which I really liked also. And I think that it goes well with the spell book and the astrology part. So I'm going to go kind of quick through this and show you all the great pages. It has some really great spells in it. These are actually copies of old spell books from the medieval ages. I really love the pages like this. They're so pretty to me. This is held on by a wax seal. It's a silver ribbon bookmark. Here's another wax seal. And rules for flying carpets, which is very important, as you know. That's the translation. Fun fact, this is actually left over from making a Grail diary from Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. I had an extra. And this guy actually turns. Look how amazing that is. How to summon a dragon, in case you have a need to. And that's it. What do you think? I think it turned out fabulous. I just love it, and I hope the person that won it loves it too. So tell me what you think in the comments. Bye.